mba niile, ka amara n'etiti mba niile, Jehova bụ eze, Jehova bụ eze, Jehova bụ eze. Are we ready? Jehovah is king. So let them know all over the world or in the nations of the world that Jehovah is who? King. Where? Sorry, let them know. Are we ready? All writing stops. Or okay, finish writing the chat. So we sing it. After singing, we take our opening prayer and we start. Idi njikere. Ngwa. Ndo. Okay, bido. Nchere. Onye nkuzi biko bịa ka ibupụ oche ebe a. Na nka, wepụ ma nka. Onwe na ebe a. Wepụ oche nke a na oche nke a biko. Aka Chukwu nọrọ ọfụma. Ngwa ka ibu abụ unu edechala ọ bụ na idechala si edechala m ọ sị mbunye ntu oyi m tinye ntu oyi ka itinye obere ọjọ oyi mgbanyụọ ya inu ke ndị na-agba oke ọbịwago ọjụtụ obere oyi mgbanyụọ ya o Ngwa kaibido, ombido, kaibido. Now I want you to sing this song with every seriousness in you. I want you to take the song personal. That Jehovah is King. Jehovah is God. Okay? In Babando language hub, we believe in God. Alright? And we are not even sentimental about it. We are not apologetic about it. So I want you to sing this song, and I want you to always remember that in every situation you find yourself, even as children, even when mommy tells you some things are not going well, you remember that because God is King, God will come through for you. Are you ready? Are you ready? Kahamara netiti mbanile. Go. Kahamara netiti mbanile. Precious Orobiela. Okay. So we'll take that 2 times. The first one, you now go a bit higher. Kahamara netiti mbanile. Let's go. Kahamara netiti mbanile. Jehovah bueze. Jehovah bueze. Jehovah bueze. So the last one, you're going to say boo, and then you go and then you say ze. Are you getting me? Jehovah bueze. That's the last one. So Jehovah bueze. Jehovah bueze. Jehovah bueze. Are you ready? Let's go. ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Let's go. Ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze. Okay, all the people on this table, let me hear you. 1, 2, ready, go. Sing it confidently. Kwara unu aka. Onyi, ụra, ọ na-atụ gị? Ha! Nọrọ ọfụma, nọrọ ọdụ. Ngwa, ihu ọma. 1, 2, ready, go. Sing it well. Now we're going to sing it standing up. We're going to sing it standing up. 1, now. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, ready, go. Ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Shake your body. Ka ha mara n'etiti. Oh, Jehovah. Eze Jehovah. Bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze. Let's try clapping. Ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Sing it. Ikenna. Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah. I don't like the way people are clapping. We are going to go around. We'll come outside. We're putting a line now. Zoom. Let's go. Yes, now I want you to shake off your body so you don't sleep. You know you just ate lunch. I don't want you to sleep because this next class is super interesting. Haha. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please, as you're singing, you are clapping. Will you do that for me? Eh? Will you do that for Nwunye Mazi? Unu ga-emere m ya. Unu ga-emere m ya. You say I ga-emere gị ya. Unu ga-emere m ya. I ga-emere gị ya. Will you do it for me? Yes, we will do it for you. 1, precious in now. 1, 2, ready, go. Ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Let's go. Ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze. O ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Aka gị ka ha mara n'etiti mba niile. Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze. Imela, imela, imela Chineke, onye na-eme mma. Imela o, isi ike ndụ. Imela, imela, imela ọkaka, imela chi onye nkuzi. Imela onye na-eme mma. Imela o, imela ọkaka, imela Chineke, imela onye ọma. Mama, ekele, 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 onye nwe anyị. Mama, ekele, mama, ekele, mama, ekele dịrị Chineke. Mama dịrị gị Chineke, mama dịrị gị onye ọma. Clap now. Kụọ aka gị. Shake your body. Precious. Mama dirigi Chineke, mama dirigi Onyoma. Anyị ekele gị na Chineke, anyị ekele gị na imela. Sing now. Now, kahara n'etiti mba niile. Let's go. Mba niile, Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze. Oh, Jehovah bụ eze, Jehovah bụ eze. Kọrọnụ Jehovah aka. Hallelujah. Unu dị njikere? Unu dị njikere? Ka ikpe ekpere. Ọ bụ n'aha Jizọs, onye nwe anyị, nara ekele maka ụbọchị taa. Bịa were ọnọdụ na ihe mmụta anyị n'aha Jizọs. Amen. Kọrọnụ onwe unu aka ọzọ. So when you get home, don't forget this song. If you just stay, be singing it. Okay? All the Igbo Christian songs we are teaching you, please remember them. Okay? So what I get me nnochi aha pronouns. Nnochi aha pronouns. You have been doing names of things with Onye Nkuzi, right? Names of this, names of that, names of this. So now we're going to be doing pronouns, okay? Nnochi. Nnochi means to replace. Nnochi, Nnochi means a replacement. So Nnochi aha, a replacement of name. Aha is name, and verbs nouns are names. So Nnochi aha means things that replace what? Nouns, names. Yeah. Okay. Onye na-apụ ka ebe na-aga. Onye ka ị gwara bịa ebe a. So you can just get up and leave the class. So Nwunye Mazi biko ka m bịa. Mma mmiri na-akpa m. Ngwakwuo ya. Anaya, ga nọrọdụ. Nọrọdụ ọsịsọ so you will learn. Go and sit down. Sit down on bịa ebe a n'oche ahụ. Mba, onye nkuzi dobe ya n'oche ka ọ mụtaba Igbo. Kpọtara m ya ka ọ nọrọ n'oche ka ọ na-anụ. Bịa ebe a, Anaya, bịa nọrọ n'oche. Anaya, if you sit in the class, Anaya, listen. Onye nkuzi chere ka ngwa ya okwu. Anaya, if you sit in the class, okay, ngwa ga nyoma mamịrị, and you come back to the class. You're not a baby, not 4 years. Ikwesịrị ịsụ Igbo. Okay, so ụbọchị taa anyị na-eme nnọchi aha. What are pronouns called in Igbo? Nnọchi aha. So it's so simple. We will just be picking them from English and be, translating them to what? Igbo. It's very, very what? So give me one. English. Or you want to give me in Igbo? Yes. Gi. What's the first one you said? What is E? E. E is you. E, you. She also said gi. Gi. This you is when you is at the beginning of the sentence, Write it down. When you is at the beginning of the sentence, that is when it is I. Okay? Or when you are using you to ask a question, in Abia, you want to say, are you coming? I. Are you getting me? In Abia. So, I is you, Gi is you or your. Are you there? Which other pronoun do we have? Yes, precious. They, huh? Which other one? There are so many, kind of. Yes. Ani, good. Ani. This day is day or dear. Let's put it day or dear, huh? Day or dear. You have huh? Then Zurum said Ani. Sorry, I don't like the way I wrote this one. I should do it the other way around. So I'd like to write ha, which is they or their. Ani, we, or which other one is Ani? Our. Or what? Us. Okay? Yes, these my children are wonderful people. These children are Igbo children. Come on. Yes, the babe. Mo. Whether you use or you use mo, same thing. It means what? My. It means me. Right? Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Igbo is a very sweet language. It's just that some people don't know how to teach it. That's just it. Yes? Which other one? Yeah, Zurum is the only. I will give Zurum a you will see what will happen now. Yes, Chisom. Let's hear from Chisom. Onye. 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 What is Onye, Chisom? No. Onye can be somebody. Onye person. Okay, yes? Somebody is saying something, I was hearing it. I could hear it. Yes, Onye. Oh, Ginibu, oh. Yes. Oh. He. Mobukwano gini. She. Kedi ọzọ. Zurum. Unu. And gini bu unu. You people. Unu, you people. Okay, can't see what you're writing because of the light. Ngwa, kekunu gesi me ya ngwa buro chegi bi asa ebe. Yeba buro chegi bi eba, chom ke no eba. Buro chegi. Okay, ngwa, so to ga eba, ngwa bi eba. Jiri nwayo. Ngwa, kedi ọzọ, unu. You people. Kede ọzọ? Zurum. Ya. Gịnị bụ ya? Ya. No, it can be he or she. Him, her, it. Ya. Him, her, or it. Even this, he or she or it, so this one, people are writing from the screen. Okay, ngwa. So we have I, Gi. Let's go together. 1 to go. We have, repeat after me. I. Gi. Ha. Anyị. Mu. Onye. O. Unu. Ya. Also, some dialects can say "o," but the right thing is "o." Okay, like "onabia," right? You cannot say "o nabia," "o nabia." Does that answer your question? Okay. So, which other pronoun? It's so many. It's so many. People are writing. Because those that are watching from online, my students online, no one can command the language hub. Kindly take down the notes, because I'm going to ask you when we start class next week after the summer camp. I'm also going to ask you if you wrote down this. So make sure you are writing. Ngwa, be writing. Ganyo. Ikenna, which one? We are here now, that's why we are here. So don't feel bad. Yes, mention in English. His. Yes, now. Him, her, it, and his. And his. His is under here. Okay. Mine. So, mine is nkem. Mine. Kaide yotwa. Nkem. Mine. How many of you hear your daddy calling your mommy Nkem, or your mommy calling your daddy Nkem? He said, in a book. Okay. So some Igbo couples call themselves mine, but they prefer not to say mine in English, so they rather say it in Igbo, because that Igbo touches, the Igbo language touches the Igbo person somewhere special. So you say Nkem. Somebody say, it's true now. Mine, Nkem. So, Nkem, mine. Now, if mine is Nkem, look what was added Nke, and then made mine. What will be yours? Yes, yours is Nkegi. Yes, darling. Yes. We will write it now. His or hers. I can't write it down there. I can't do nazo. Unarecha lanka. Mfichawa. Mfichawa. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Is Igbo a foreign language? Akachukwu Bela. Ichori Igbo egwu. Ketira yoge onye ga agba egwu ka iwa. Ngwa norokwa ofuma. So, then which one did you say is Nkegi again? So we have his or hers, or its. Okay? That one is Nkeya. Oh, me call a mistake also. Nke. Let's try this place. Nke. Ya. Can you see it? Yes. Nke ya. Nke ya. We are going to use this. I will use these things to teach you how to make sentences. By the time we are done with the basics, we now go into the text and yeah, you will enjoy it. Okay, what are the pronouns? Let's not forget anyone. Yes, theirs. Okay, huh? You see how you're learning it now? Okay. Igbo is easy, very wonderful. Okay, huh? Theirs. So what will now be ours? Ours. No, ours. Nkem now is mine. Nkanyi, very good. But when you want to pronounce it, just Nkanyi. Yes. So which other pronouns? Let's exhaust it. So, which? What is that one? Yes. Yes. You peoples. Okay. It's correct. Nkono. Nkono, but she's correct. Yes, people's. Those chairs are people's chairs. These are people's chairs. People's. It's part of it now. Which other one? Let's say everybody. Yes, everybody. Onye ọbụla, everybody. Onye ọbụla, everybody. You have been hearing that Mazi Udumoyo, you're saying, Onye ọbụla. Wadata. Onye ọbụla nọrọ nwayọ. Ihe ọbụla. Onye ọbụla could be everybody. It could also it could be everybody, everyone. It could be anyone. Anyone that comes. So it could be everybody. It could also mean anybody. Okay. When you say you have finished the dance side, you say idechala ebala. Say idechala ebala. So onye ọbụla could be everybody. It could be anybody. So which other one did you tell me? Ihe ọbụla, which is anything. Before we say ihe ọbụla, let us say ihe something. Ihe is a thing. Ihe is thing. Ihe thing or something. Hey, wait, let me not confuse you. So how would you say my thing? Yes, my thing will be what? In him. If you want to say it is my thing. Now, you're going to say it. Yes, it's my thing. How would you say it?
Or in him.
Again?
Or in him.
You see now. Are we speaking Igbo or not? Oh, so what other? So we now said everything. Or what did you call it? Ihe ọbụla, anything. Please, the or put a dot under the obula. Okay. Ihe obula. Anything. Ihe niile, everything. We also have nothing. Nothing. Ọ dịghị ihe. No one. Onweghị onye. No one. I think we are fine. Onweghị, I'll teach you. That's GHI. Just pronounce it like YI. This GHI. Just pronounce it like YI. So what is it going to be? Yes. Onweghị ihe. Onweghị onye. Igbo is simple. It's just being able to teach it right. Teach it right. Okay, are we making progress? Are we ready now? Yeah? Go and open your notes. Go and look at it in your notes before you come and tell me. From today, don't come to me. Look, I took my time to teach you body discomfort. Don't come. Some tochuku, osetigo, wasema mbine. Just say rugi. Seba mbine just say who also. Eguni na egwashi kana alahola no. Ngwa. Are we good? We want to start making some simple examples. Simple examples. Na-emechi ọnụ, na-emechi ọnụ. Onwe any pronoun ọzọ anyị na-ekwubu okwu ya ebe a. We did not do I. No, we want to say I am coming. Will you say mụ na-abịa? Say it.
I'm not sure if I'm correct.
Be confident.
Mamiri apa.
So you have to say Nwunye Mazi.
Nwunye Mazi.
Biko.
Mamiri apa.
Ganyo. Koronu ya aka. Koronu. Good. Ngwa. I think Somto is there. He can naturally. So now we want to start making sentences for each of the pronouns. Yes, so we have not done I. You can either use a or e. You want to say, I am fine. When you want to say, I am fine, how do you say it? What did you start with? The mama. When you are done writing, what do you tell Nwunye Mazi? What did you start with? So you can see, you can either say or what? Whichever, but you would know from the sound of the vowels in a word, you would know if you are to start with a or e. Okay? So, fichawa. Kebino. Ebala kino. Ngwa ngwa. Ka mficha ebe enu ka ibido ka ọ na-aga aga. So you can give me sentences with just very simple. Okay. So because can feature no chair, feature why? Come happy, ka I know. So that no brother abata ga fin ya neme. Is it not Guinea? What did you say? No, in case someone comes in, the person can know what we are doing. No chair pronouns. Okay, are we good? Are we good? Okay. So what was the first one? Kebinaga. You see? You have to say it in Igbo. Ngwa koya in Igbo.
Ama mmiri na-akpa m. Oh, mma mmiri na-akpa m.
You now say Nwunye Mazi.
Okay, Nwunye Mazi biko, mma mmiri na-akpa m.
Ganyo. Koronu yaka. Koronu yaka. You see the thing is working. Is it working? So, is it working? Zuru, is it working? It's working, no? Eh? Mimi, it's working. You can see what is happening now. When you go home, you used to do shakara. Start doing shakara. Should be like. Then when you tell her, Mommy, Igbo summer camp, we have another one in December. Will she say you should go or not? Yes, if you go home and you don't speak Igbo to them, and you say, Mommy, Igbo summer camp in December, another one, Christmas, I want to go before I travel. You want me? The one you went, first one, what did you speak in this house? Okay, do you remember again? Whoa! Hey! So don't fall our hand. Don't fall Nwunye Mazi. But if you go and you are speaking, your mom will say, hello, Nkechi. Hey! Chisom na Susikwu Igbo. How nwekwe Igbo camp? Watachi Ebuka. Yes or no? I think if you go and you are speaking, your mom will call your cousins to join you. Eh? When you come, you will have your cousins here. Yes or no? You will say when they come, when they want to come to Nigeria now, they will now book. Wait now, Zoom, wait. When they want to come, they will now say, please, let us come when this camp is doing what? It's happening. We will come and the children will attend the camp before we start going to the where? Village. You don't know what is going on. Okay. Yes. Ehihoma. Yes, say it again. Good. Ehihoma. So if you want to tell your daddy good afternoon, how would you say it? What is my daddy? Nnam. So you say Nnam ehihoma. If it's your mommy, how would you say it? Nnem. Nnem. Don't forget, if you forgot to say my mother and my father in Igbo, the people that paid to come here, ooh, it's over. It's what? If you go home, don't call your mommy again. Just call her name. She will melt. If you want anything, I'm telling you secrets now. Nwunye Mazi will always give you the secret in Igbo language. If you just want anything, just say name. Biko, your mommy's attention will just do. Say, I'm listening. Inside her heart, though. Even if she doesn't want to give you that thing, she'll just say, this one she said in Igbo. Let me encourage her. Let me encourage him so that he will keep speaking the Igbo. Ngo, let's continue. What's the first pronoun? First pronoun. Eh? And what is EU? So, gabia, gabia, ga, abia. You will come. Can you see that? Or Guinea? Please allow me. We don't laugh. Okay, so you are not on my online. Some of you are not in my online class, so we don't laugh. Why would we do that? So that you don't make anyone start having complex. Because all of us are learning. If you laugh, you embarrass them and they wouldn't try again. So my policy in my school is that you don't laugh at anyone. So we don't laugh. We only laugh during jokes. When we crack jokes and we laugh. But when someone is attempting to speak and makes a mistake, we do not laugh. Even in the online, in fact, it's my I don't have physical school, it's online. So we don't laugh. What did I say? We don't laugh when people are attempting to learn, okay? Sam? So you want water or you want to pee? Look at your notes. Osiso. Look for the one about the pee. Yes? Say it. Mamiri na bam. So if you want to use achom, you say, because achom inyu mamiri, say that one. That one I want to pay. Achom inyu mamiri. That's another way of saying I feel like pee. So he said, I want to pee. So I think that's the one he's used to already. So, Iga, you will come. So you want to say you will come to my party. You say Iga abia mem. Mem. Party is called what? Meme is party, but my party is what? Mem. So you will come to my party. Please invite me to your party because you will come and say, Nwunye Mazi, achọ m ịgwa gị na ị ga-abịa mmemme. Okay, so this is for number 1. What's the verb number 2? Gi. Wait, what is gi? You or your. So let's start with you. You. Who can give us one sentence with that kind of yes? Ogi chefuru. What does that mean? Yes. Ogi chefuru ya. Koronu ya aka o. Pam 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 pam. Koronu ya aka. Ogi chefuru ya. You forgot it. You are the one who forgot it. I'll teach you tomorrow. Echi. You are the one who forgot it. I'm going to teach you time today, not even tomorrow. So let's go one step at a time, okay? Mfichawa. Okay. The next, no, I want us to do the second gi. Yo, who will give us a sentence for you? Say, you can say it in English. My babies, are you writing? If you do not continue with this one now, look at this one. He's busy writing sentence when we are doing another thing. What is it now? Why are you not writing now? When you are missing anyone, just leave a space. When you are in a break, you continue. Write your sentences. You must write. So, if not, I will tell your mommy to come and carry you now. You don't say you are not writing in my class. You must write. Come on, then your sister and be responsible. Oh, sister, leave this. Look at all you're missing. Look at this. Look at where everybody is. Oh, sister, leave this page. Come here. Start making your sentences. Oh, sister, start making your sentences. You think you cannot write? You must write in my class. So. Yes, you woman woman. See my Amarachi, my Chemaka is doing a good job here. Amarachi is doing a good job. Come who do bem. Come who. Come. Good. Ogi. Zoom. Okay. Okay.
Chiamaka zero aqua.
Good. What does that mean?
Chiamaka bought your clothes.
Okay. Koronu yaka. Chiamaka zuru aqua. Okay, you are the one who forgot it, so may they forget. Please, this is O, please, not E. So, Chiamaka zuru akwa gị, which is Chiamaka. Can I turn off the AC now? Yes. Jesus. It's not here, why? Oh, you know, to pum. Chiamaka bought your clothes. You know that in Igbo language, I told you that in English you will say my clothes, but in Igbo what will you say? Again, in English you say my clothes. In Igbo what do you say? Clothes mine. The pronoun always comes last in the Igbo language. Are we making progress? So the next one now, what's the next pronoun? Ha. So for her, let's have one example. The first one is, what's the first word? Is it they or there? They. Okay. So make a sentence with they. You can say it in English, you can say it in Igbo, whichever one. I want to make that sentence. They are here. They are here. Yes. Ha no ebe. So it means they are here. Ha no ebe is what? They are here. They are here. Onye decho si Nwunye Mazi edechala m. Jisike. So the next example for her, there. Somebody should give us a sentence with there now, please. In English or in Igbo, anyone. Why are you leaving me? Only me should be talking. It's not good. Yes, Sam? We have used they forgot. We want to say another sentence. Let's hear from you.
They are all drunk at this point.
No, it's too long. Yes? I don't understand. What we are on Sam? Only short sentences. It's too long. They hang them.
They are smart. What you guys are saying they are? She said they are, not they are.
Good. Their house is big. No. Uloha is not carry is so much, plenty. So Uloha buru ibu. Their house is big. So why are you now talking now? Daniel. So the next one for her, what's the next one? So her is only there. What's the next pronoun? Anyi. Anyi has 3, right? What's the first one? We. So what's the sentence for we? We now. Onye nkuzi Joy. What does that mean? Anyị zụrụ ụlọ. Anyị Because Chizurum's name, Chizurum is giving us sentences in line with Zuru. Zuru. Anyị zuru ụlọ. It cannot be on that way. How many are we going to write? Anyị zuru ụlọ. We bought a house. Okay, we are making good progress here now. For the next one, is it our or us? Our. Ngwa. Somebody should give us a sentence with our now. Our dog is bingo. And you made one about 20. How long have we stayed? I made one about 30 minutes. So. Anyway, no. Onye nkuzi is saying we have 20 minutes more. They don't want us to do our Igbo class now. Now. Okay. Our dog is outside. No. The pronoun comes last. Yes, nkita osola mbiri, nkita anyị nọ n'eji. Nkita anyị nọ n'ezi. Okay? Our dog is outside. Okay? Are you enjoying this Igbo class? Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Yes. Does it look boring? No. So we are just, particular about being able to speak Igbo correctly and fluently. Are you writing? And my baby is writing. Close your mouth. Hey, my baby, Jisike. Oh, mom, my wonderful boy. Well, let me see the other one. Yes, this is why I'm proud of you. Keep going, boy. Keep going. Let me see. 4, 5, 6. Hey, wonderful. Ikenna, my boy. Ikenna, my boy. Wonderful. Nkita, wonderful. Yes. Good. Jisike. This is a U. Chefuru is a U, not E. Chefuru. Okay? Amarakam. Hey, my baby. Wonderful girl. What the was so. So I'm to ejizi akwụkwọ gị n'aka na-ede. Iwuola degema. Biko debe n'oche. Ọ bụrụ na afọ jiri nwayọ kwụla ọtọ. Na-enene. You were there your former debt. Oh. Zurum neme nke ya as a senior. Come body how my baby girl nene. So come home kege. Beautiful. Come. Good. Nkita anyị nọ n'ezi. Please just make sure that we maintain this our Igbotic steez. When you go home, what will you do? Na asụ Igbo. Sụọ Igbo. Ịla n'ụlọ gị na-eme gịnị? Na asụ Igbo. Always be proud that you are an Igbo boy or girl. Well, let's go to the next one now. Fichawa nke enu. Okay. Onye nkuzi, how many more minutes? Ịchọrọ ịchụpụ mụ na ụmụ m na. N'ihi na ọ dị mma. This is our Igbo that is how this Igbo is tasting like honey. Very sweet. It's not on a togo. I did boring. And I have woman DK. Okay. Wakaigawa. The next one after the third Annie, us. Okay. Somebody should give us a very simple sentence with us. All of us. All of us. We didn't even include that in our. All of us. So all of us did what? All of us went to the park. So you say anyị niile is all. What is all in Igbo? Yes. Anyị niile. Gara n'ama egwuregwu. Anyị niile gara n'ama egwuregwu. Okay? Are you enjoying Nwunye Mazi? Is Nwunye Mazi a wonderful teacher? Are you feeling her vibes? Clap for your wonderful Nwunye Mazi. Okay. All of us. Anyị niile is all of us. So what's the next one? Or which is mine. So one word, add my to one word. One word, add my to one word. Good. But we have done Ulo. Let's use somewhere Ulo before. Let's use something else. Ewum, what does that mean? Yes. So Ewum. Ewum, my goats. Go and tell your friend to follow you to Igbo summer camp next time, so that you will not miss them. I think. She said she's missing her friend. Tell them to come so that people will be together. We'll do another camp in December. So that we can refresh. We are doing the one in December, so you can do what? You refresh your memory. Add more. Then stop the village like this. Ha! When you come, you'll be looking very beautiful. Like, wait now, let's play a little. Let's play. You'll be looking very beautiful, and Sam, I'm gisting. You are gisting. How many gisters? So I'm giving you style now. When you just land in the village like Land Rover, those people in the village you start looking at. You say, this Chisom that cannot speak Igbo. This Chizuru. This Chizuru that cannot speak Igbo. This Onyedika. But when you just come down, you now say, Keda Fagi. When you ask one child there, Keda Fagi. If you say that, I will spank you. Don't be naughty. You ask them what is your name. Even before they start speaking Igbo to you, you will be the first to speak to them. You say Kedu. You see your auntie, your grandma, and say, Mama Nuku Tutuoma. When somebody asks you Kedu, you don't say Odemma. Odemma. Odemma is it is fine, she's fine, he's fine. When they say Kedu, you say Adimumma. Dalu. You now ask the person. What will you ask the person? Yes, kedu ki mere. The person will just be like this. The person will be like this. Are you ready to surprise them? See you in December. We come and do fresher course. Hey, who my goat? What's the next mine? Kenna Kenyon.
So in English, the pronoun comes before the noun.
The pronoun comes last. Comes after the noun. In English before, in Igbo after. So, ewu my goat. Chidwe Morgan. Me, eh? Me, Make a sentence now. Something simple, not even. But do you have anyone? No, me. Nkitam is my good. She gave us one. She said she is talking about me. And that's correct. No, we have me and my. So, ọ na-ekwu maka m maka m. Are you seeing that? Ọ na-ekwu maka m. It means she is talking. Or the normal like that. She is talking about me. So what's the next pronoun? Look, make me proud by making sure your note is complete. When you go home, your parents will look at your note. They are not joking. Your parents are not joking. They will look at your notes now. Yes. Your parents are not joking. You see, okay? And as I'm in this camp now, be using me to learn Igbo. If you just stay, just come and speak one thing to me, I will teach you how to say it better. Speak to Onyenkuzi. Use us very well the way you want to learn Igbo. We are here for you. We left everything we are ready to come here for. For you. For okay, so number 11. What's the next pronoun? Next pronoun. Yeah, we. So, who will give us a sentence with ọ? Ọ na-abịa. Ọ na-abịa. So, what's the meaning of ọ na-abịa, Kachukwu? He is coming. Somebody said, ọ na-aga. That's beautiful. Ọ na-aga, is it? So what's the next one? After he, she, it, you know now. Let's just cut it out. Next one. Yeah. Yeah. So who is giving us the sentence for yeah? You can give me in Igbo. No, Iwoma, you have not given me any sentence. Thing is now. It didn't match it. No, that one is different. This year has to be inside the sentence.
Wait, which one? Is it him, her, it, or his?
Him, yes, yeah, him, her, it, his. So one sentence. Onyedika. Short sentence. Chere. It is there, Bogini. Remember, it is there. That one is all. You can call an item and say that he's this, her that. Are you getting me? I told him. I told him. Agwaramia. When you want to say his dog, nkitaya, let's use one word. His dog, his plate, efereya. Let's do that one. I told him, it's the same thing. If you want to say I told him, you say agwaramia. It is his cup, obu efereya. It's the same thing. Do you understand? It's like different examples for different categories. Okay? So we have no can you remember to kusino? Efereya. What is the meaning of efereya? His plate. So what was that one you said, Precious? Agwaramia. That's number 13. Chisim dim fichawa. Inone looking on ala. Hey. Okay. So gwaram ya. I told him. Don't worry. All these nouns we are using, you will see when we start with that textbook. Kuruwe. Again. Can you? Don't come near me and say anything in English again. No. We have passed. Kain. Obere. Kain to please in the time now. Okay. Excuse me. Are we good? Onye nkuzi gịnị na-akụ? Oge anyị ezuole. How many minutes to go? Careful for one time. Timekeeper. Let's go. So the next one is what? Ken Kozo. So unu. So who wants to give us for you people? No, you people. You can make it in English. What are you trying to say? Okay. You people are up. Oh, no, so how do you say it again?
Like unu tunebi.
Nelu. Unu di nelu. Don't worry, I'll teach you even prepositions. Don't worry, I'm here for you. I'm here for who? You don't know how when you go home, your daddy will be shocked. We will soon start using this our textbook. Now, when I'm done giving you the basics, we start using this this book.
What does it stand for?
This book, it stands for Kuruwe. It stands for what? Kuruwe. You'll be kuruni asibo like this. Kuruwe. Kuruwe means scoop. Okay. So, unu dinelu. So it's going to be unu no nelu. You people are up. I don't understand. We are coming, please. Unu no n'elu, okay? Don't let's be focused. Let's be focused. The next one, the next pronoun, nkem. So let us say it is mine. Let's use it is mine. Excuse me. It is mine. So we have o nkem. O nkem. Everybody, now, if it is mine is o nkem, how would you say it is? What's the next one? It is yours. Onye. Where is Onye? Kebonye. Ewo, you did not write it. Leave it up here. So if you want to say if you want to do the onye, let's put onye. You want to say that person. That person. Onye ahụ. Onye ahụ. Okay? Are you enjoying your Igbo class? So, onye ahụ. So, after writing onye ahụ, we'll now go back to what I wanted us to do because it's so easy. If you say it is mine, if it is mine, bo o nkem, what is it is yours? Detuoya. O nkegi, it is yours. Kendi na-eme mkpọtụ ebe ahụ na, do you want Nwunye Mazi to feel bad? My students online, make sure you are writing. Papa and the language hub students in the diaspora and even in Nigeria, make sure you are writing. So what's the next one? How would you say it is his or hers? O nkeya. And the next one, okay, gozo. Okay, huh? So how do you say it is theirs? Next one. How do you say it is ours? Again? Some? What's the problem? You're not speaking. How do you say it is ours? Oh, ukani. What's the next one? How do you say it is you people's? She's in the deck in there. What's the next one? I'm not talking to Nwunye Mazi. So how do we go about that? Everybody is inside. Good. Onye ọbụla nọ ni. The next one, timekeeper, which is what? How would you say my thing? My thing. How would you say give me my thing? Again? Nye me him. How would you say, please give me my thing? How would you say, Adora, please give me my thing? Adora, biko nyem ihem. Okay, so number 24. It's not Guinea. Okay, 19 and 20. Oh, okay, huh? It is theirs. Onyidalo. It is ours. Anya mechawala. 24 bugini. Ihe obula. Don't eat anything. Erila. Erila ihe ọbụla. What's the next one? How do you say everything is mine? How do you say that? Everything is mine. Eh? Ihe niile bụ nke m. Are you enjoying your Igbo class? Hmm? You're not enjoying it. Is it too much? Okay. Hey, Jesus. Okay. I'm asking you whether you are finished. I'm sorry. I will not go to this table again. I'm coming down to this table. You will not allow other people to learn. You people will not allow other people to learn. Is it good? Is it good? Or the man? I'm sorry. I sincerely want to apologize because my baby is anyway. Okay? And I want to tell you something. I have a textbook coming for you people. Eh? This one is big people's class. That textbook you will color. Who wants to color? Trust me, you will like it. It's coming, okay? Yes. You will like it. Don't worry. Why they are writing their own, you'll be busy doing what? Coloring your own. Just be writing. These two people, Bobe and Auntie, my baby. Are you writing? What number are you? Sorry. You can leave it and write this one. So I'm sorry, just leave the ones you've not written. Go to the ones that are there. After you down, go to Idima and collect it, you know. But you seem the Imasu Igbo, so Imasu at least in Agbali. Just start from number 17, Emecha. Yes, don't worry. Don't worry, my baby. Don't worry. Okay? It's this thing I'm teaching is actually for these people, but it's also good for you. Your own is coming, okay? Let's go. Odighi ihe, which means what? Nothing. I did not see anything. I saw nothing. Odighi ihe hụrụ. Odighi ihe hụrụ. I saw nothing. Onye ọbụla nọ n'ime, I'm sorry. Everyone is inside. Ọ dịghị ihe m hụrụ. And I forgot to even add that when I is inside the sentence, is For instance, you can see, I saw nothing. This is the I. And you can see it's an M here. Okay, are we good? Is that the last one? Leave it. Which one again? Onwegi onye. Onwegi onye biara. No one came. Onwegi onye biara. Onwegi onye biara eba. No one came here. No one. No one came here. Hey! Onye ọbụla kpọrọ Nwunye Mazi aka o. Please give me my flowers. Ogene. See how active my babies are. Everybody contributing to the class. No dull moment with Nwunye Mazi. Ogene Sam. Zukwanike. Sam Zukwanike. Okay. Which one? Ihe niile bụ nke m. Everything is mine. I'm sorry. Or digging him home, I saw nothing. How do you say I saw nothing? Yes, or dig that GHI. You just pronounce it like he or digging him home. She said, she was saying, some people can say, or where him from. It's also correct, but we are doing the central Igbo. What just central, but if your parents or you have to say Onwegihem or Onwegihem, you are correct too. Okay? Alright. If you know that you want to be my friend and want to give you unere, want to take banana, please finish this thing. Let us not fight.
Also, you must be taking fruit to each day.
Fruit for the day.
When I bring it in, you know it. Finish your note. Any questions? So how long should we have a rest now before the next class? Then 1 hour.
Yes.
We should rest for 1 hour.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we give it a cook one. To give it. To 5.
Are we still having puzzles?
Yes, we will have puzzle. Puzzle is just a game. Puzzle is you're not going to make it. So let me tell you, the puzzle game is not about who floors or who doesn't floor. You're actually working on your own cognitive ability as regards Igbo words. So beyond the competition, whatever, it's about you getting familiar with Igbo words. Are you getting me? And having your fun. If you give me that thing, he will be faster than me. But you see, I've been talking since. You can't beat me in talking. I can talk from now till tomorrow. Energy I have. Give me puzzle now or bring one mass and tell me why was going to the market and X and Y. I will start doing this. Y, X. What is Y doing in math? So everybody has where God has blessed him or her, right? You have where God has blessed you. So don't let his own hand disturb you. I'll be the water. Do you get me? So you're not doing it to be faster than anybody. You are doing it to, that's why I want you to mark the ones you brought. Have your fun, you're not competing with anybody, okay? So when you have your puzzle game, relax. Even we will give you your puzzle booklets. You go home with them. You continue. You get what I mean? You're not competing. Look at this little girl. If you give me and this two, she will win me. But she may not talk as I talk. And you know me, I can dance from now till tomorrow. Energy. I have energy. We are all different, okay? So that is it. My baby's here. My babies. My babies. Are you all done? Are you done? Good. Let's sing that song we sang when we started. Who will remind me the song? Banile Kahamara Netiti Banile Jehovah Buese Jehovah Buese Jehovah Buese Kahamara Netiti Banile. If you're not done writing after the prayers, make sure you write. Finish it. Your mommy will look at your note too. Jehovah Buese, Jehovah Buese, Jehovah Buese. Obunaha Jesus. Repeat after me. Obunaha Jesus. Obunaha Jesus. Obunaha Kare ekele. Maka ụbọchị taa. Daalụ. Maka ihe mmụta. N'aha Jizọs. Amen. Gịnị ka unu ga-asị nwunye Mazi? Gịnị ka unu ga-asị nwunye Mazi? Please, when are we coming back? We are coming back by 6 p.m. That one. Make sure you put your chairs in order and you don't